The story of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, located in the Tuscany region of Italy and known for its world-famous leaning structure, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was originally built as a bell tower. Designed as the bell tower of the Pisa Cathedral, this structure began to be built in the 12th century and was completed over a long period of approximately 200 years. The construction process and the beginning of leaning. The foundations of the Leaning Tower of Pisa were laid in 1173. However, when the third floor of the construction was reached, it was realized that the ground was soft and unstable. The soil under the structure was made up of a mixture of sand and clay, which caused the tower to begin to lean to one side. Since this slope worried the architects, construction was stopped for a while. Construction resumed in the 19th century, and engineers built the upper floors more inclined to one side in order to balance the slope. However, this method did not completely solve the problem. Nevertheless, construction was completed in the 14th century, and the bells were placed in the tower along with the top floor. Restoration works over time. The Leaning Tower of Pisa continued to lean for centuries, and various precautions were taken due to the risk of collapse. Engineering work in the 20th century developed solutions to protect the tower from total collapse. In the 1990s, large-scale restoration work was carried out, and the leaning of the tower was reduced in a controlled manner. In 2001, the tower was declared safe and reopened to visitors. The Leaning Tower of Pisa today. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is an architectural wonder that attracts millions of tourists every year. Visitors can climb the tower to enjoy a magnificent view and see the history of this interesting structure up close. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, world-famous for its leaning position, is considered one of the best examples of how engineering mistakes can turn into a work of art.